inputs from the national capital, where the Delhi government has now directed private hospitals and nursing homes to reserve at least 80% of their ICU beds and wards for COVID patients. Remember, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had also held a news briefing this afternoon where he said that the positivity rate in Delhi now stands at 30% and there is a lack of oxygen. I want to bring in Piyush, my colleague, who's now picking up more details on the same. Piyush, what is the condition of beds? We understand there's a shortage in the national capital, and what is the Delhi Chief Minister doing to bridge this gap? Not too sure if Piyush is still connected with us, but remember, this is what the Delhi government has now directed nursing homes and private hospitals. They've said that 80% of the ICU and ward beds must be reserved for COVID patients. They've said that there should be a revision in the bed capacity on the COVID data management portal. Remember, this is exceedingly important because Delhi is now reporting more than 20,000 cases in a day. The Chief Minister had said that the positivity rate stands at 30%. There is a lack of bed and a lack of oxygen supply, and the Delhi government is now taking measures to try and bridge that gap. Piyush is back with us on the phone line. Over to you, Piyush.
Well, yes, Swesha, like you were telling to our viewers, is that today itself, Delhi Chief Minister had done a press conference where he had requested central government to give 7,000 beds out of 10,000 beds and reserve them for the COVID-19 patients. And on the other side now, if you talk about the Delhi government's own nursing homes and private nursing homes and the government hospitals, in those hospitals also, he has, asked the officials to dedicate COVID-19 beds. Also, on the other side, if you talk about the private hospital, the Delhi government has now directed them to, provide a COVID treatment and also reserve at least 80% of ICU and ward beds for COVID patients. And also at the same time, the nursing homes and private hospitals, they will have to display the number of revised capacity, revised beds capacity on COVID data management portal. And this has been done so that proper information can be given to the people who are seeking information about the availability of beds in national capital. Remember that the positivity rate has now climbed to 30%. And looking at the rising concerns, this decision has been taken by the Delhi government, where it has now directed nursing homes, private hospitals to provide the COVID treatment and reserve at least 80% of ICU and ward beds for the COVID patients. And at the same time, they will have to also display the information about all this on the COVID data management portal.
And Piyush, that is exceedingly important because in an emergency situation, one tends to first go to the portal to really understand where all beds are available. So the information must also be displayed. On that note, Piyush, thank you for joining us. We move on.